So we are at Kingston Lacy in Dorset, a wonderful old house here. As you can see, have a look around here. There's the stables over there. And we're going to have a look at some begonia here. Just look at these. Beautiful. And we're going to make our way towards the house. We're due in about now. And some of the roses coming out here on the wall already. And there's this wonderful old house. And the laundry rooms are over here. Huge house and setting. Masses of land here as well. Now we have to go around here to get in. Lovely lands here, look, going right across there. The buttercups are out, how lovely. So we're going to just leave it there till we go inside, so give us a moment. Are we allowed to come in?